Hello, this is CMM-6/7, one of the Globe Core bestsellers. This is 6 cubic meters per hour degasser. Let's see what is good in it. First of all, it's quite simple. Indeed, you only connect hoses, open the valves and activate the components. Let's see the control panel. Literally, it has only 5 buttons, one for inlet pump, for outlet pump, for vacuum pump, for heater, and the switcher for the heater. Heater in here has 3 sections, so this is another preference. While operator can switch the proper mode of heating. All the process parameters such as temperature, pressure, the state of sensors and components is indicated at the controller. So once you've set, the system will maintain it automatically. I would also say that the unit is quite compact. It is only 2.5 meters long, so it's quite good for 6 cubic meters per hour degasser. And despite of its size, the unit has all necessary components for long-term and convenient operation. There is 100 kilowatts heater, 2000 cubic meters per hour booster, electronic vacuum sensor, manometers, and so on. Capacity adjustment valves are located right after the pumps, after inlet and outlet pump, so it's quite easy to use it. Particularly this machine is equipped with 2 moisture sensors, one at the inlet of the unit, the other one at the outlet. Their displays are at the control panel, so it enables you to observe drying processing dynamics. And here also there is a liquid counter. With it you can easily calculate the amount of oil treated. So CMM-6/7 is effective and convenient degasser for your needs. For more information, please visit our website www.globecore.com. Thank you for your attention. Bye.